Hey y'all, it's your girl Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to get on here and just share with you guys how to take down Locs. I got these about a couple of weeks ago and it's time to come down. As you guys can see, I kind of started taking them down already, but I just thought about it because I know a lot of people ask me, how do you take down them? What do you do? It's hard, I can't get it down. But the simple answer is pretty much what I do. I just like to get my scissors and I'll cut the ends. Like for an example, let me see if I can find one that I haven't cut. So this one, see, you have to figure out, like, just know how long is your natural hair, because you don't want to cut up too high and cut your hair off. But just remember, don't cut up too much because you will cut your natural hair and we do not want to do that. And I just started like 10 minutes ago, but it's really simple. You just take it and pull it down. And there you go. There you go. And it's pretty simple, pretty easy. You guys can probably barely see me. I'm gonna actually get these took out. I'm gonna take a few more out and give you guys another tutorial on how to take them out. In case I did it too fast for you guys, I'm gonna slow it down a little bit and I'm going to actually show you guys. So we're gonna use this one for an example. So I've already cut this one. As you guys can see, this right here is not my hair. This is the black hair that she added. And all I'm gonna do is take it like this. After you cut the ends, remember you gotta slide it down, cut it, and then slide it down. And then you just unravel it without having to, do all of that. But unravel it. And keep unraveling it. And these are actually crochet. So she used a crochet needle thing and then she just put it inside of there and it just comes out just like that. And I'll do another one, as you can see. So you just pull it apart, just like that. And it should just slide out just like that. Just let me go. And you may get a little stuck and it's okay. You just gotta get it out of there. And be like, I don't want to leave. And also when you take off the braids, because you gotta individually go through the braids, if they do it like this, and it will just come out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like when I do these tutorial videos. So I hope you were able to learn how to take down your messy locks. And just remember, do not cut your real hair. Always remember how long your real hair is, because we don't want to cut it. But anyways, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that way you don't miss an upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next upload.